What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back now with the video, and today we are gonna look at another device. You guys are gonna be surprised for this. The AirPods Max. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come, tips, tricks, and unboxing just like this one. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Check out my blog on fibcedmonton.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, this is the P9 Plus. I saw this in AliExpress. It's obviously not the real AirPods Max, but let's see how well these clones are doing. So here we go. So let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. There's a literature right here. Let's take that out. Boom. There you go. Nothing more in the box. Comes here in the bag is some aux-in jacks there and some USB-C, surprisingly, and some literature there. Boom. That's it for that. There you go. So as you can see here, this whole top super plasticky, very cheap feel there. The sides there is still plastic, I believe, but it looks like it's metal. There you go. Sides are obviously plastic cups as well, and then some buttons on this side right here, which is obviously not real because the AirPods Max doesn't have that. It also has a SD card slot right down here, the headphone jack, and also the USB-C. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see how well it sounds anyway. There we go. Nice. So now we're gonna go and try this on our head. There we go. It is adjustable on both sides, so that's not bad. Let's go ahead and throw this on our phone here. Let's pair it on the Bluetooth. So yes, it has a message there that the Bluetooth device is connected successfully. Let's go ahead and play some music from the Apple Music here. Let's see how well it sounds. Let you guys hear there. See how much sound leak it does, right? It's obviously not a real earmuff there. It is very soft and squishy there. It does have the little kind of mesh looking thing, but it's not actually mesh, it's just printed mesh. So it's not nothing there at all. As you could see on the top there. Very plasticky, right? There you go. Let me know what you think on the fit on my head there. Let's see if you guys can even tell from afar if it's the AirPods Max or not, right? Obviously up close you will realize that it's not pretty quick there, that it's not the AirPods Max. But let me know what you think if it's far away like this, if it's doable enough, you know, to fool someone, if it's the AirPods Max. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new earbuds like this P9 Plus. It's obviously not the AirPods Max, but I'll link this down below if you want to get one yourself. Very cheap looking device, all plasticky. So just to warn you guys, the sound quality is actually not too bad. It does get pretty loud as well, so that's not too bad. But I wouldn't really recommend this for people who actually wants the real AirPods Max, because as you can see, it's very cheap looking thing. If you want to fool your friends, maybe this is a one to buy. If you are too cheap like me, I think I got this for about $40 Canadian. I'll link this down below if you want to get one. And yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the like button as well. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.